Hi and welcome to the Bats in Churches e-learning program for cleaning in churches. This course will give you an overview of cleaning techniques that will help you to look after your church and clean in a way that will negatively impact items of heritage significance. Ceramics appear in churches in many forms. They can add a beautiful shot of color to the building, but can also be fragile and easily damaged if not cared for properly. They include terracotta, tiles, glazed brick, and mosaic. Before cleaning any ceramic material, inspect the surface for damage, cracks, chips, or any deterioration to the glaze. Make note of any crack or loose areas and avoid cleaning those to avoid causing more damage. If you find anything of concern, seek further advice. Equipment for cleaning ceramic and tiles include glove, dust mask, soft brush, vacuum, paper sheets, soft broom, dustpan, mop, cobweb brush, and a wooden spatula. Do not attempt to clean medieval and Gothic tiles. These should only be carried out by a qualified conservator. Avoid using water or any glazed ceramics or where the glaze is cracked or damaged. It's not advisable to use any chemical, commercial, or household cleaners on any historic ceramic materials, as the chemicals they contain can damage surfaces, causing loss of detail and further deterioration. This especially applies to abrasive compounds. The removal of deep staining or residue on any type of unglazed ceramic material should be left for a specialist ceramic conservator. For general clean of tile floors, use a soft bristled broom to clean away dust and debris, working methodically and carefully from one end of the church to the other. Use a soft bristled brush to remove dust and debris from corners or hard-to-reach places. Remove dust and debris with a dustpan and brush. Particularly dirty floors where the tiles are glazed and in good condition can be cleaned using a damp mop, moistened with clean, deionized water. Dry off immediately with a clean, dry mop. Any excess water should always be removed as quickly as possible. Tile walls and decorative tiles can be cleaned with a telescopic cobweb brush, taking care not to hit any monuments or windows. More elevated tiles with raised areas can be cleaned using a soft bristled brush, working from the top down. Glazed wall tiles can also be cleaned occasionally with a damp cloth using clean water. Any excess water should be removed as quickly as possible, and care should be taken not to drip water into the floor underneath. Dirt that sits in the surface of any tile, such as mud, birds, droppings, candle wax, etc., should be removed as much as possible with brushes. Wooden tools, such as spatulas, can be used to gently lever debris from the surface, but this should only be done if the surface is in good condition. If the tiles are glazed, any residual staining can be removed with an absorbent cloth slightly dampened with clean water. White blooms indicating water staining are common on floor tiles where they have been laid directly into the ground below. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to remove this staining, so only be undertaken by a professional conservator. Wear a mask and protective clothing. It is likely that any bad debris won't fall on you. Wear nitrile gloves and remember to wash your hands after completing any cleaning. It's important to remove droppings and urine deposits immediately when found to reduce possible deterioration to the surface of tiles. Upon discovery of liquid urine, the priority is to absorb as much of the liquid as possible, as soon as possible, using an absorbent cloth or heavy-duty paper towel. If urine deposits have dried, remove the residue salts by brushing with a soft bristled brush. A damp cloth can be used to remove residue, but only from glazed tiles in good condition. For droppings on tile surfaces, remove with a soft bristled brush, gently brushing them onto a sheet of paper for easy disposal. If droppings are in areas of damaged tiles, take great care not to disturb the damaged surface. Further information, general cleaning guidelines, and additional resources can be found in our companion booklet, Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats.